Good morning, 7th graders, and happy Wednesday. I am not here today, so I wanted to make this video of what I expect from you while I am not in class. So number one rule that is not on here is make sure you are on your best behavior, all right? So we got a lot of things on the agenda, so feel free to come back to this video if you forget everything that needs to get done today, okay? So the first thing you're doing right now is you are watching these video instructions, hopefully, okay? The second thing you're doing is you're continuing to work on your Super Slimer game. Everything is in today's folder. You follow the guides that you guys have been following, okay? Once you are done with the game, this is very important. It says look at the rubric before you submit your game, okay? So just like the My First App, there's a rubric that I'm going to use when I grade your game. The rubric is in today's folder. It says Super Slimer rubric, okay? So we're watching the video. You're watching this video right now. The Code Camp has all your instructions and your guides, and this is the rubric, okay? So when you open it, now again, I'm opening this on my laptop, okay? Here is the rubric down here, all right? I am pretty much grading you on 4 different categories, okay? 3 points is the highest for each category. The highest you can get on this game is 12 points, all right? Now, I'm not going to go through this entire rubric with you, but here's what I'm talking about. For example, the bad guys, they call them baddies, all right? Here is how you get 3 points for this section. There are at least 6 bad guys in your game. I guarantee not everybody has added a minimum of 6 bad guys. So if you didn't, please make sure you go back and do that. So again, if you follow everything here in this column that says 3 points, you'll get a 3 point for every section. You'll get 12 points. If you miss some stuff, I'm going to take points off accordingly. All right. And like I said, I know some of you did not look at the rubric for the My First App and it cost you some points. Please make sure you do this as well. Okay. Now, once the rubric is done, okay, you are going to submit the game. Now, the way you submit it, you are not going to publish it like it says in the guide. I think there's a publish button in the Code Camp World website. We are not going to do that. Instead, what you're going to be doing is you're going to take a video of your game using your iPad, okay? So you're going to need your laptop up with your game open. Then you're basically going to take your iPad and you're going to rest it on the desk and you're going to point it at your laptop screen, okay? You are then going to record it. Now, when you record it, I'm going to be looking for 3 things when you record it. 1, all of your code. So as your video is recording, you're going to go through each of your characters, your actors, and I want to see all the code that you have. All right, so you have code for your hero, you have code for your bad guys, you have code for your coins, you have a bunch of different things, okay? I need to make sure that you click on each function and I see your code, okay? And you're doing all this as the iPad video is rolling, all right? Once I see all the code, the next thing I'm looking for is your entire game. So you're going to bring up your game, you're going to start at the top, and you're basically just going to scroll very slowly so I can make sure you have everything. I'm going to count all your bad guys, make sure you have at least 6. I'm going to count all your coins and potions and all those things. So I want to make sure that I see everything. Okay, that's the second thing I'm looking for. And the third thing I'm looking for is you actually playing the game. So I want you to hit play. I want you to play your game like you would if you were testing someone else's game, and just play it. You do not have to beat the game, but I do want to see some of the gameplay, all right? So your video should probably be about anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes to show me all of those things, okay? If you would like an example, there's an example right here that says sample submission video. This is a video that another 7th grader made, and they submitted it, and this is what I'm looking for, okay? So you can watch this video, so it shows you what I'm going to be grading and how it should look, and then you're going to make your own video, and you're going to submit it into the Super Slimer rubric, okay, right here, and you would submit that video here in submissions. So you will have to submit it on your iPad since that's where your video is, okay? Now, I know I just covered a lot. If you need to come back to this video before you're ready to submit, please do, and then go back and rewind it to where I told you what I'm looking for, okay? I'm hoping most of us get done today while I'm not here, so when I come back tomorrow, we can start something new, all right? But we'll play it by ear, and we'll see where we're at, all right? If you guys need help, reach out. Feel free to help each other if you need to, all right? But just make sure you guys are on your best behavior. See you tomorrow.